Kaivri Village Committee no Old Agartala RD Block ni Shimin Nore belbari RD Block by gwdalrwna bagwi sanmwng khlaika Circuit House by khobjak Gandhi Mangthong bwskango kuthum laimung khlaika 5 Khairpur Onchol Committee ashalo koktum ni bwskango 5 Khairpur Onchol Committee ni khorsa naikolnai saka hasteo kwbango village committee tongmani aborok block advisory committee by gwdaljak kwrwi tongmani Fiaba yakchu Montri Okra tongmani jorao abahai village committee rokno block advisory committee by gwdalrwna bagwi gosimung rekha Jishnu Deborma abahai keno 90% samungno ongui no thangka tabuk Kaivri village committee no simino Old Agartala RD block ni siminore belbari RD block by gwdalani sanmwng tongo Fiaba Kedekma jora lai thangpano a samung ongliya abonotui waire wai memorandum bo rojaka fiaba a samung mungsafano ongliya baithago Kaivri village committee no Old Agartala RD block ni siminore belbari RD block by gwdalrwna bagwi no sanmung khlaika tangsalo 5 Khairpur Onchol Committee.
We here on behalf of the 5 Khairpur constituency we have come here to protest and we must thank His Excellency Jishnu Deborma during his tenure when he was the Chief Minister or Deputy Chief Minister of Tripura. He has done very wonderful work. Thing is that he has published some notification regarding the streamlining of some of the non-BSc, some village committees which are not under the BSc. So far what we have seen right now, the works are completed. It's all completed. Now it's only a matter of some 5 minutes or 10 minutes just to exclude from the All Agartala departmental website and then to include in the website of belbari RD block. Since there is BSc, we have spoken to the director of Panchayat also regarding this. We have submitted him the memorandum, but so far we have not seen any fruitful outcome of that. So we want to send clear message to the government of Tripura. See, this injustice should not be done to the people. It must be served justice. They must serve the justice. It's just a matter of some few seconds to exclude and include in the belbari RD block. So I don't know. I don't understand why the governments are not even doing this. I felt from my side maybe it's a failure of the government. They're not working properly. So they must think and resolve the issues as early as possible.
Abon logi ashala Roman script no tuibo habang ni phashingo nahari joy laimung funuk laika committee naikol nairok bo saklaikya habang kahamke naikolya angai tongka hasen tibrasa lukurok no kahamke naikolya angai tongka habang.
See, as you already know, we were here protesting in demand of Roman script. We are thinking maybe next, before on 15th they are having assembly, we might come and again protest in demand of Roman script. Now as you have said, what we see is the failure of the government, the working system. I don't understand why are they not working properly. So we see the administrative failure. I believe it's a failure of the administration. That's why the village council election is not held, Panchayat elections were held, village committee elections were not held, which means it is a deprivation to the indigenous community of Tripura. It is clearly, the message is very clear. The message is very clear that it is injustice to the people of the Tripura, indigenous people.
Dave Haitonai Shalni Shaltamni Bishingo Roman script matui sanmwng khlai teisa khorang tisane hini sak tharmung rekha. Bureau report Kok Khorang.